How to fix Instagram keeps stopping problem today. To do this, first of all, go to settings on your phone, scroll down and find apps, tap on it, find Instagram and tap on search option, tap on it, search for Instagram, tap on it, scroll down, find storage, tap on it, tap on clear cache and tap on clear data, tap on delete, go back, tap on full stop, tap on OK, and now scroll up, tap on permissions, make sure all permission is enabled. Go back to home screen. After that, go to Play Store. Tap on search for Instagram. Tap on it. Instagram update is available. Go back to home screen and now restart your device. Tap on restart, tap on OK. Now check Instagram again. That's it. If you like the video, subscribe and stay with us. Thank you.